guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back at it again, doing another BoxyCharm review. And again, it's not going to be just another regular schmegular type of review. It's going to be a drunk BoxyCharm review. So I'm going to be actually taking some truly, I don't know, it's not a beer, it's like I don't even know what this is. It's like hard sizzler, I don't even know what that means either. With a hint of mango, and as you can tell, I kind of been drinking it. I added in some chamoy because I feel like they actually taste nasty by themselves. They taste kind of like diluted water with some like alcohol and a hint of mango. But when you add chamoy, it tastes a lot better. What kind of chamoy am I using? My own that I made. This is like literally homemade. And I'm like almost out of it, but this is like homemade chamoy by Nancy, for Nancy, well, for anybody who wants them. But yeah, I'm like kind of like halfway through this because it doesn't really taste that bad when, like, again, when you add the chamoy. So I've been kind of like drinking half of it just to kind of like get a head start, because last time, how many shots did I take? Way too many, and we're not gonna do that because I felt like last video when I took the shots, like it was hitting me towards the end, but after I finished recording, I didn't pass out, but I had to like just chill in my bed and pretend like I wasn't drunk. So if you're at home and you're just watching this and you don't want to get drunk, you need to get drunk, because I'm not getting drunk by myself. We're all getting drunk. No, you don't have to. You can just enjoy this video. It's fine. You don't have to get drunk. I'll get drunk by myself in my room. But yeah, I don't really like to drink anymore. But the chamoy is really good. I'm probably gonna be licking my lips way too much. So yeah, the chamoy and the mango flavor one, girl, it's like an alcoholic mangonada. That's literally what it is. Alcoholic mangonada. And it's nighttime right now and I'm filming in my room. And if you're wondering, you're filming at night? Girl, I got a ring light. Like, I went all out. Like, I feel professional now, and it's cool because like now that I have a ring light, I can literally film at night when I don't have anything to do and not have to wait, like, you know, film at this time because, you know, the lighting is perfect, or like, oh, I can't film today because it's so hot in my room and I just can't do it. I have to wait for a cool day. I'm just so proud of myself that it took me forever to buy a ring light. Maybe in the future I'll invest for a better background, because what the big is this, and maybe a different chair instead of using the one from my kitchen. But you know, she gotta pay for school and she gotta pay her bills, so we're taking it one step at a time. So cheers, you guys, and let's get started with the review. So this is what it looks like, and this is what it has, and this is what I got. Shop. Okay, so I lost the little paper that it came with. Well, I didn't lose it, my sister lost it. I'm looking at the prices from my phone. I think this was on like their website, or it was on some website, and it just has the prices of everything. And I usually, for my BoxyCharm reviews, I usually like to test the products on my face, but for this box I decided to not do a try on. I'll probably try on like one or two things from the box, but I decided to not do a try on just because a lot of it is not even makeup. So this is the first product that I got. This is a quick color swatch. This is a dry makeup brush cleaner, and it's literally just a tin or aluminum container with like this little sponge thing like that. I used it today to like clean my brushes real fast. So it's just like a sponge like that, so you can like take it out and clean it or whatever. I already had one of these. I actually went to Marshall's and I bought one for like maybe $5. And guess what? BoxyCharm or Lavish is selling this shit for 20 bucks. Like, are you kidding me? 20 bucks for something I can buy at Marshall's or TJ Maxx for 5 bucks? Shit, 10 bucks? Like, hell no, girl, you crazy. So I personally feel that color switch, whatever, cleanser, dry brush cleanser, whatever, it's not worth 20 bucks. And I feel like BoxyCharm kind of like knows it's not worth 20 bucks, but they like to include it because it makes it seem like your box is worth who knows how much money. I think it's actually a good product. Like I say, go buy one. They actually do work, especially when you're working with like colors and you just want to clean it off really fast. It's perfect. But for 20 bucks, girl, no. Like, no. Okay, so before I do the next product, I want to open up my next Truly. The first one was mango, and then the next one is going to be pineapple. And to be honest, these are the only two flavors that I like. Okay, so pretty much what you want to do, this is so freaking dumb, so easy too. You want to clean it. I already did that, so don't even worry about it right now. But yeah, you want to clean the top, and then usually what you could do is dip it into like whatever container you have. The reason I'm not gonna dip it is because there's like barely any left, so I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna take the spoon. Look, you guys, look at the chamoy. It looks just like I made that. And you're just gonna throw it in here. Just rub that. Just rub it. Just rub that rim. And then if you want to add some more, you can do that, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then you're like, how am I gonna open it? You grab a spoon. This is like a small spoon. These are like little spoons that we have for like when we're on a diet. These are little spoons that we have just when I guess they're like for sugar or like mixing your little sugar and tea. You just go in there like this and just open it like that. The pineapple one and the mango, girl. I'll just take like one more drink. Okay, so the next product. So this is clean. This is Clean Skin Club. This is a vitamin C brightening booster, and it's supposed to be watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. Ooh, I love pineapple. It's just a serum. I've never heard of Clean Skin Club. It retails for $49.95. And it looks like that. It smells like candy. I don't like that. It smells like watermelon. So vitamin C is really good for brightening of the skin. This kind of smells like a product for little kids. Skincare usually is very expensive. So it's actually kind of cheap in a way. Okay, next product. But before that, so this is a shampoo and conditioner by Sol de Janeiro. I love Sol de Janeiro's Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which is this one right here. I love the smell of this. These literally smell exactly like this. So I tried these today. Tried it on my hair. My hair doesn't smell super intense like this, but it does have like a hint. So yeah, this is definitely something that I was very happy to receive in my box. So before we go into the next product, you guys, I forgot to let you guys know the price for the shampoo and conditioner. Each one is $24. Well, not each one, but both of these is a value of $24. So each one is $12, which is like, but it is Sol de Janeiro. I know they're at Sephora, so they are supposedly like a luxury brand. The next product is the Everyday Vacay, and I believe you pronounce this Château London. I don't know how you pronounce this, but that's how I'm gonna pronounce it, Château. This is a setting spray, and it looks like this. Can you guys hear my drink? My drink is making noise. I think it's because some of the chamoy fell in there, so it's like bubbling or something. So the value for this is $22. Ooh, that is a nice spray. That's like nice and misty, and it smells like coconut. So we're just gonna try to like mattify my face. It's supposed to be a dewy finish. So let's see if it's true. And I showed you guys the mist. I don't know if you saw it. Let's just do it again in case you missed it. I don't know if you could see that, but it's a very fine powder. It's very strong coconut scent. So if you hate coconut, girl, then you're gonna hate this. I feel like just looking at myself from the viewfinder, I feel like it is a little bit dewy, but it's not that intense. Like I would expect more. So I'm gonna just go in and add a little bit more. The smell is reminding me of that alcoholic drink Malibu. Blech. Oh, I hate that drink. I can't. The reason I can't is because I got really drunk with Malibu one time, so I could never have Malibu again, or Hennessy. Oh, you know what I was gonna do? I was gonna do the bronzer. I was gonna do this palette before I did the setting spray, because I could have done it on my face, because I actually wanted to put this on my face. This is the next product. This is Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise, and it's just supposed to be a bronzer kit, and it retails for, so this goes for 30 bucks. Price wise, I don't think that's bad. My palette came broken. You see that? My mirror is broken. That hella sucks. I don't think I've ever received a product from BoxyCharm, and I've had BoxyCharm for about 5 years. Nah, I think it's 5 years. Maybe like 4 years that I've been receiving products from BoxyCharm. 4 years, and I've never received a product from BoxyCharm with a broken mirror. Like, what the heck, BoxyCharm? Let's go in with this girl again. So let's go in with this shade right here. It does look a little bit darker. On the other side, I'll try this one. Okay, but can you blend? Let's try this dark one on half of my forehead, and then we'll try this one on the other side, since I have enough room for that. Ooh, that looks so bad. Like, it literally is not blending, and it looks very patchy. Like, you see that? It just does not blend right. It's like color and then a little bit less color, whereas like a blend is like, you know. Okay, what about now? It literally looks the same. What the heck? Okay, well, these bronzers really suck. I think that right there was an omen to let me know that this product is trash. So let's use the lighter shade before I start throwing things, even though I already threw it. And look how dusty it is already. Look at all this dust. Can you see it now? This one looks like it blends because you can't even see it. I'm always like super excited to like receive a BoxyCharm, but like I'll always end up liking 1 or 2 products, and then the rest I don't like. And I feel like it's just been getting, I feel like mostly this year is where I'm just like, what the heck is this, you know? Like, I'm like, the thing that they got us, the brush cleanser, it's literally 20 bucks. Like, you no, like, don't sit there and tell me that you gave me this because it's $20 when you know it's like, what brand is this? Look at how much and how, like, look at how aggressive I'm being, and this is what it looks like. Like, that's your blend. Like, I'll even try to fix it. Like, I'm not trying to be that person that like does their makeup hella bad and then like, why is it hella bad? No, I'll go in there and I'll do a contour where like I'll fix it. And that looks like poop. Like, remember you guys, this was the dark one, this was the light one. They literally look the same. What the heck? They just look all like the same shade. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give it to my sister. Like, there's 4 different shades and they all look the same, except for this one's just a little bit darker. Like, just a little bit darker. Or maybe I'm just blind because these lights aren't intense. Like, I'll literally close my eyes and I'll see like rings. The only products that I like, Sol de Janeiro, and they're cute. Like, I like it because it's not just a regular bottle, it's like yellow and they just look different. So yeah, so this is one product that I was excited when I received it in my box. I feel like maybe the reason they suck now is probably because maybe they're giving that all the good products to like big boxes. I was definitely not happy with this month's product. That was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the little bell to get notified every time I post a new video. That was it. Okay, bye.